everyone, welcome to my channel, Cynthia Vlog, and welcome back to my cooking, guys. So today guys is magluluto tayo ng fried rice. Ito po yung rice ko yesterday, guys. So I have chicken here, guys. Hiniwa-hiwa ko na po siya. And then I have some vegetables here, guys. I have beans, green peas and carrots. I already cut it in the small pieces, guys, small cubes. So I have also onion here, guys, garlic, and this one, guys, spicy chili and nor cubes. So guys, let's start na, guys. Let's put oil, guys. Ow, too much. So let's put the onions and the garlic, guys, and the chili. Ayan. So haluin lang po natin. Then we can put the chicken now, guys. Ayan. I don't remove the skin, guys. I cut it with the skin. So wait lang po natin hanggang maging brown yung manok natin, guys. Ayan. Gisain muna natin ng maigi para maalis po yung amoy, guys. Para hindi po siya malansa. Guys, nagtubig yung chicken ko. Ganito po yata yung ano, guys, mga chicken or meat. Pag ginigisa po siya, is nagwa-watery po siya, guys. So, wait lang po natin na matuyo, guys. Yan. Maglagay tayo ng salt, guys. Then black pepper. Wow. Wow. So haluin lang po natin, guys. Yan. Lakas-lakas ng boses nung kasama ko, guys. Dapat siya na lang yung nagsasalita dito. Ayan. Pwede na rin po natin ilagay itong carrots, guys, because it will take time to cook this one, guys. So unahin po natin yung carrots. Check natin, guys, kung luto na po yung carrots natin. Wow. Lagay na rin po natin yung beans and green peas, guys. Ayan, wow, greenly. Ito pa lang, guys, is ulam na. Pero kailangan po nating ilagay yung rice because we're gonna cook today fried rice with vegetables and chicken. Without soya sauce, guys. Ayoko ng soya sauce. Takpan po muna natin, guys, para maluto po yung beans and beans. So, ayan. Tcharan! Check po natin kung pwede na ilagay yung rice. Wow. So, wow. Lagi akong napapawaw sa luto ko, guys. Kasi I always thinking my food is always tasty and yummy. So yan guys, lagay na rin po natin yung rice. So put na po natin yung rice guys. Guys, look at my fried rice. So, meron po akong coriander leaves dito guys na press. I want to put something here. Ayan guys. Design. Ayan guys, yung fried rice ko with chicken and vegetables. So, this one guys, is kakainin po namin later, pang lunch. So, thank you for watching guys. And thank you for the support guys. Bye-bye. God bless us.